Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, we're in problem 26 here, all about the extracellular matrix, right? So if this is our cell here, there's this sort of extracellular, extra of course being outside of the cell, matrix that's sort of made of fibers and I mean there's really quite a lot of stuff in it. There's like elastin and laminin and all sorts of, there's collagen fibers and add structure, right? So it has a lot going on. But the thing to note really is that where it is, this extracellular matrix does in fact bind with the cell receptors, right? So there's sort of like a binding happening, okay? And this initiates some signaling within the cell. Now, if this cell were to move, right? So if it starts to try to move to, say, another area where it doesn't belong, right? So now it's going to be over here. Then it loses that signal. So we no longer have this signal, and it'll undergo the apoptosis, right? So cell death. Wah, wah, wah. And why that happens is this to keep cells from moving where they're not supposed to go, especially say like a cancer cell or a cell that's growing out of control. And so the thing to really note here is that metastasis, or like when something metastasizes, that just means it's moving through the body when it shouldn't, right? So metastasis is really just a really fancy word for saying it's moving around. Okay, and so what's really happening here is this matrix connects the cell to its sort of external environment, right? Which is what's happening here. And should it try to move, it kills it, right? So it prevents this movement from happening. So the correct answer to this one is D.